I can't wait to try it. And now I'm excited that I have two of them. Mask Monday, here we come. That needs to be on my face. It gives some tips on how to maximize your SPF. Fantastic. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, we do unboxings, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you stick around, give this video a big thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and let's just get right into today's video. So today we're doing another unboxing. You guessed it, it's IPSY. I have it right here. This is my second unboxing for this month. If you missed the first one, I'm gonna link it up here somewhere. This is the bag. So I love this month's bag. It has a little teal on the zipper and it just has people laying out on a beach. It's just a really cute little bag. One thing I do love about IPSY is that there's always a bag. It comes with a card that isn't gonna give me any information, so just cut that part out. So Make Waves is this month's theme and it gives some tips on how to maximize your SPF. Fantastic. So the first item is a lip crayon. This is by Maybell. It's their creamy, brilliant tinted lips. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna swatch everything in here. I do have some gloss on, but I might try and put this on too. It's in the shade Nectar. It's gonna match my shirt perfectly, almost.
There we go. All right.
Let's give it a swatcheroo. That is that's pretty. Very light. Let's see. It's like a gloss. Yeah. It's like a nice gloss stick. That's pretty cool. It's like, oh, it's supposed to be a lip tint, so that's not bad. So it doesn't say anything except for literally that. So that's not bad. Next. This is by S&Herb. This is their Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. I'm gonna open it up, see if it comes with a seal, which it does. I'm not going to open this right now because I have like 2 or 3 more cleansers to use before I get into anything new. So I do have to wait to use this, but I will use this because I love getting trial size cleansers in IPSY because then I found some things that I really love that way. Next I have, oh, it's open. This is by KVD Beauty, Vegan Beauty, whatever it's called. This was the old Kat Von D brand. So this is their translucent setting powder. I've heard really good things about this, so I am going to give it a try. I'm not going to open it up right now, but it has a little sifter and it comes with a little seal and it's just a nice little travel size. It takes me forever to go through translucent powder, except for right now. The only exception to that statement has been within the recent weeks because I have not been wearing foundation. I've only been using primer and powder just to cover up and get rid of anything weird. Like today I'm not wearing anything. I have some bronzer on, but no foundation. So I have been using a lot of powder, so maybe I'll need to use this sooner than expected. I really like that though. Very excited for it. Ooh, I got this in my last IPSY. So this is the Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. So it says, Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask features a smoothly gliding cream texture with clay powder to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. Now I'm not going to open this one because the other one I did get, it has a seal and I did actually swatch it and it does have a very creamy, silky feel, but there is a little bit of like an exfoliant in there, so I can't wait to try it. And now I'm excited that I have 2 of them. I'm really excited to try this and I'm really excited I have 2 of them. Hopefully it is not a dud, but it looks like there's probably enough in here for 2 or 3 uses. So get ready for that. And last but not least, for the base part of the box is an Oprah Highlight.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I got a full-size Oprah from my last bag as well because it was an IPSY choice for this month. And I have to say, I am not disappointed at all. These highlighters retail for $36 US and I paid $21 Canadian. $36 US Canadian is like $1 million.
I'm just kidding, it's not that bad.
This is in the shade Covent Garden. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. We're gonna give it a swatcheroo. swatch it on this hand. And holy frig, man, that is just, that needs to be on my face. We're going to put this on using my Luxie brush. That is just, it's a lot. Ooh. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love. I needed this. I just needed this. Wow, that is some highlight right there. A little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. I'm just feeling a little. That's really nice. Oh, I'm so excited right now. This is so good. I love Oprah products. Like, seriously, it's just one of those brands that I'm just so happy that I have had the opportunity to try, especially since I've been on such a low buy. Like, honestly, I haven't been buying very much stuff because COVID and all the things, and yeah, I'm not spending money like I used to. So let's wrap up what I got in this bag, and then we're going to look at my add-ons because I'm really excited for those too. So all in all, I have to say I am super impressed. Even if this lip tint isn't like perfect for me, I'll give it to my niece. No biggie. I'm really excited to try all of these things. I absolutely love the subscription lately. I did get add-ons this month, so I'm super happy that I did, because the first one is by Purlisse, and look at the size of this thing. It's a full size. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. So friggin' excited for this. Okay, so beauty through Asian wisdom. Benefits. Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea helps rejuvenate skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. Whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. All right, so I'm super excited for this, but I am going to leave it sealed just because I have to use up what I have first. That is the new rule. Can't open any more skincare until I use what I have.
Miss Kitty, come here. Get Miss Kitty.
Look at her.
This is Miss Kitty's really pissed off face.
Shut my camera off. What an idiot. Next, I have a whole bunch of stuff. A whole bunch of sheet masks and an eyeshadow. We'll show you the eyeshadow first. So this is by the Beauty Court. This is, it says not for resale. It is in the shade Halo. It's a single eyeshadow. Now, the packaging is pretty flimsy, and I don't know how I feel about that. It's like sticky. Okay. So, I'm not really sure. It's like kind of dry feeling. I will definitely have to give this a try. It didn't swatch terribly, but and it looks nice, but there's just something about the way it feels that I have a feeling it will not be the easiest eyeshadow to apply. So the next things that I did get as add-ons are sheet masks. I was able to get these 4 sheet masks by Hanali. I hope I said that right. I apologize if I butchered it. All in bags, which is good actually. Everything came really well packaged. Well done, IPSY. Love you guys. There's a papaya, a lychee, a pear, and a pineapple. So I'm super excited to try all of these. Let's see if they all, so the pear one is moisturizing, pineapple is brightening, papaya is hydrating, and the lychee is soothing. I love that. That is so much fun. I needed some sheet masks. That's why I put these in my add-ons, and I'm not disappointed I did that. And last but not least, these are brightening masks for your under eyes. It's by Soleil, New York. I think that's how you say it. I love this brand. I have their brightening scrub is like the best exfoliant I've ever used, and so I'm really excited to try these. So it says, dark circles and tired eyes making you look like a panda, hydrogel eye masks in a cute panda print brighten and revitalize your eyes. So that's them right there, and you turn it around, so it's actually like a mask that's going to go right over, so it's just going to go right here. I'm super excited to try it. I'm so happy this came with 2. Mask Monday, here we come. So all in all, I am super pumped about all of these things. I got a full-size cleanser. I got a whole bunch of face masks. I got some eye patches and makeup. I'm not disappointed at all by the highlight. I will use the powder. This stuff is all stuff that I will use. Maybe the lip tint will go to my niece, but that's okay. It'll still get used. So all in all, I am not disappointed with this IPSY. I will make sure I linked my other IPSY from this month. If you haven't already watched that, please go check it out. Please give me a thumbs up in this video if you liked it. And please, if you don't, give me a thumbs down, because it really does kind of help me know what you guys are interested in and what you don't like. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I absolutely love hanging out with you guys, and I will see you in my next video.